Sabra Dipping Company is recalling certain hummus products made before November 8, 2016 over possible Listeria contamination. The company announced the news on social media and says the voluntary recall is out of an abundance of caution. Contamination was found at the manufacturing facility, but not in the tested finished products. Still, they issued the warning, as thousands of products were distributed to supermarkets in the US and Canada. Any product with a best before date up through January 23, 2017 should be tossed out. The list of recalled products is a long one, but it's important to point out the voluntary recall doesn't affect Sabra organic hummus, salsa, guacamole, or Greek yogurt dips. The company assures consumers after the inspection with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, they've implemented a thorough and extensive factory-wide cleaning and sanitation procedure. What is Listeria? A foodborne illness that can be fatal in people with weakened immune systems and young children. In healthy people, it causes high fever, headaches, nausea, and abdominal pain. The company issued a recall over possible Listeria contamination in April 2015 as well. Thankfully, there were no reported illnesses in that recall. I'm Dowling for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.